Good morning, Rodney Wallace Wiring, checking in with you. Today we're going to learn how to find a circuit that is buried within the wall. I think this wall has 2 layers of 5/8 inch drywall. So 2 of these makes it 1 1/4 inches. And we are supposed to have a quad right here. Thereabouts. Quad is 2 of those. Or 2 receptacles in one. Okay. What we have is a tone generator. Puts off a signal in the wall. And you can track it. Very faint up through here, but I know it comes over here. And so we're gonna try to pinpoint the highest sound of the tone. We know the height is gonna be about the same as these. I think it's here between my 2 pencil marks. So let's find out. All right, so I've made a hole with a straight into the area that I think it should be. I can feel the springy wire back in there, and I've taken an oscillating tool and I'm taking out a small piece. And that should allow us to see back in there. Let's see if I can turn this flash on. Yep. There's the wires. And now we just keep eating away at it a little at a time so as to not mess up the sheetrock. So the receptacle covers it. Anyway, tone generator. And now we've found. It's an adjustable box. Turn that screw and it'll bring it out. It was sunk 2 layers behind there.